It is a split session across global markets, and the divergence tells an important story. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete Forex market briefing for July 9th. Currency markets are being driven by a complex mix of central bank policy, geopolitical risk, and shifting growth expectations. Let us break it all down. Here is a snapshot of how the major currency pairs are trading today. Euro to US dollar is trading at 1.14, gaining 0.26% on the session. The world's most traded pair is driven by ECB versus Fed rate differentials. Currency markets are reacting to European stocks rally to cap best week since May, markets wrap. Pound sterling to US dollar is trading at 1.34, gaining 0.47% on the session. Sterling is highly sensitive to UK inflation data and Bank of England rate guidance. The move in the dollar reflects reports that Bank of Japan may speed up rate hikes, pushing borrowing costs above 2%, ex-BOJ official warns. US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at 162.40, gaining 0.02% on the session. Dollar yen tracks the US-Japan rate differential and Bank of Japan intervention risk. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. USD SGD is trading at 0.7736, gaining 0.07% on the session. The Singapore dollar reflects Asian FX sentiment, trade flows, and MAS monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that gold struggles as inflation fears from rising oil prices offset demand in VES. Australian dollar to US dollar is trading at 0.6940, gaining 0.25% on the session. The Aussie dollar closely tracks commodity prices, especially iron ore, and Chinese growth signals. Currency markets are reacting to European stocks rally to cap best week since May, markets wrap. US dollar to Chinese yuan is trading at 0.1472, gaining 0% on the session. The onshore yuan reflects PBOC daily fixings, US-China trade dynamics, and capital flow controls. The move in the dollar reflects reports that Bank of Japan may speed up rate hikes, pushing borrowing costs above 2%, ex-BOJ official warns. US dollar to Indian rupee is trading at 95.38, losing 0.22% on the session. The Indian rupee tracks RBI monetary policy, FII and FPI capital flows, and US-India interest rate differentials. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us look at the macro forces behind today's currency moves. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that oil prices opened lower as OPEC boosted production and traffic through the Strait of Hormuz resumed. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by this earnings season is the stock market's biggest test, barons. Currency markets are reacting to European stocks rally to cap best week since May, markets wrap. The move in the dollar reflects reports that Bank of Japan may speed up rate hikes, pushing borrowing costs above 2%, ex-BOJ official warns. Our near-term view on pound sterling to US dollar. With pound sterling to US dollar moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $1.37 level above and $1.31 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Currency markets can move fast and unexpectedly. Central bank surprises, geopolitical shocks, and data prints are the key risks to monitor. Here is your market watchlist heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your Forex briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily currency coverage.